Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel! For today's video, let me show you some snippets of how we spent this year's summer. Right here, you can see Seba-chan wanting some attention. There's a turtle! Grabe yung mahal ng alaga dito, no? ちょっと待って。
ヘビやだよ。マミ仮面かわいい。
They're cute. Look at the snakes. Look at the prices of those things.
マミこの虫は
お、かわいい。
ダディ、
かわいい。かわいい。
マミセミは
Ang cute nila. Ang cute din ng presyo.
マミカエルもいるよ。マミ見てこっち。マミちょっと。マミカエルはいいよ。
Kairu? Those are frogs.
マミこのカエル覚えたね。かわいいな。マミ好きだ。マミ好きよ。
Ay, ちょっと待って。Ayan, pagkain ng mga hayop. Fresh insects. Ay, gumagalaw po. Buhay na buhay. Galing. Oh, you can look at it. Oh, it's nice. Oh. Lapit ka. Oh, hi. Dahil mo yo. Kuha ko na ide. Those are goldfish. Ooh, it's so big.
Fish かわいい。
怖いんじゃない?
怖くないよ、その fish。
Is this what you call an arwana?
何この fish 怖くないよ。
Ingay mo?
Wow.
Look at the big fish. Hi, fish.
この fish も返して。
Grabe naman yung fish na yan.
マミこの fish も返して。
I don't know kung sino yung presyo na yan, pero wow, the presyo.
かわいいね。
Yeah. Hi, baby. Wow, kawaii! Kawaii! Yamete. Oh. Nani sore? Saya mo ah. Running man. Go running Yuzu. Running Yuzu. Running Yuzu. Yan, kasi naiwan ng rush guard. Sunog! Itay-itay! Yuzu, 美味しいですか？何その顔。Sarap?
Happy birthday, mommy.
Arigato. I got a package from Kami-chan. Yeah, I'm so excited. I rarely get presents, so thank you, Kami-chan. I love you. I shall treasure this forever. Thank you. I love you, Kami-chan. It's so big! Kirei! What are you doing, baby? Ano ba yung swimming mo? Show everybody your Pokemon Ukiwa. Kawaii. Ichiban suki wa dore?
リンガとピカヨンとピカチュウ。
すごいね。Hi, show me your face. You say hi to everybody. Hi, Grammy. Hi, Nana. They can't see your face. Diyan na yun. Hi, やりすぎ。ありがとうございます。ゆずくん、パチパチパチ。This is バニラちゃん。この子の名前はバニラアイスです。We call her バニラ。バニちゃん for short. かわいい。And Seba-chan is over there. The attitude was so kawaii. I love you so much. We opened with Seba-chan and we shall close with Banira-chan. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and see you in our next vlog. Bye!